In this tutorial, we'll learn how to engage with third-party service providers in the Polymath Service Provider Marketplace. In order to unlock access to the Service Provider Marketplace, you need to first reserve a token symbol for your security token. If you want to learn how to do that, we have another tutorial that can guide you through that process. Once you reserve your token symbol, you unlock access to the Service Provider Marketplace, which is what we're looking at right now inside the Polymath Token Studio. Here you can see we have a number of different providers that we can choose from. We have advisory firms, legal firms, KYC and AML, marketing, custody service, token sale platforms, and cap table management providers. And in this first section are advisors. So these might be a broker-dealer, these might be somebody that can give us advice in terms of capital markets, they might be somebody who can help us fundraise for our security token. And so let's say I want to reach out to a few of these firms. Well, I simply click a few buttons, click Apply to Selected, I enter some information about my company. Where are we operating? Where are we incorporated? And we'll include links to something like a corporate presentation, maybe our management, and maybe also our corporate structure. The nice thing about this is it can be something like a link to maybe Dropbox or Box or Google Drive. And what's great about that is we're able to actually password protect these documents so that only the people we want to see this information can see this information. And it's also important to note that at no point is this information going to Polymath. So this information is only between you and these advisory firms. So that allows you, as the issuer, to remain in complete control of your own data. So let's say I want to reach out to those three firms. I'll click Submit, and now up here we can see my application has been sent. So those three firms have now received that information, and now you and them can start a dialogue in terms of working together. Let's take a look at legal firms. I might be interested in speaking with a few legal firms. I might want to talk to those four. I'll click Apply to Selected. The information is auto-populated from the fields before to make it easy on you. Submit, KYC and AML. Might want to speak with a few firms regarding KYC and AML. Apply to Selected, Submit. Marketing, and now let's say I have my own marketing firm. I've worked with them in the past. I like what they do. I have a good relationship with them. Maybe I don't have a need for a marketing firm. Well, that's totally fine. We can just select I have my own. And the nice thing about that is with Polymath, we're taking care of the technology for your security token and for your security token offering. But we use other third parties to focus on their own areas of expertise. Our expertise is the tech. These other firms have their own areas of expertise, like advisory, legal, KYC, and AML. And you do not have to work with the firms that we have here in the Service Provider Marketplace. All we're doing as Polymath is saying, hey, if you need some help rounding out your team for your security token offering, here are some firms that you can speak with. But if you have your own legal firm, if you have your own advisors, if you have your own KYC and AML providers, that's totally fine. Polymath is here to support you as a technology solution. Might want to speak to a few custody providers about holding private keys for my security tokens and maybe to hold on to any cryptocurrency that I'm raising during a fundraise. I'll apply to Selected, Submit. And I might want to speak to a token sale platform. So with a token sale platform, they can provide a very nice investor portal that allows investors to see exactly what your company is about. They can read all of the information that they might need to consider investing. And I might want to speak to both CrowdEngine and Series 1 about this. So there you have it. In a few minutes, we've reached out to a number of different firms from a number of different areas of expertise to help round out our team for our security token. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn a bit more about the Polymath Token Studio in terms of maybe how to mint tokens to your investors, how to schedule a security token offering, or how to pay dividends, we recommend watching some of our other tutorials that we have. Thanks.